I mean, I think that's a very good point that most hearings, there's a certain percentage of the questions that are the same. And you really should not be thinking about that for the first time at your hearing. So, for example, at the beginning of a hearing, and now most hearings are done by phone or video, so they're virtual, the judge is going to ask you, are you okay with a telephone hearing or a video hearing as opposed to a live hearing? Well, that's something you should have already decided. You shouldn't think about, well, do I really have, you want to be able to say, yes, I'm okay with the telephone hearing. By the way, they work really well. So I'm a big proponent of telephone hearings, even more so than video because there's less to go wrong. But I think that's an example of something where you shouldn't have to think about it. The judge will ask you, are you prepared to take an oath? Again, not a big deal, but you shouldn't have to think about that. The judge will ask your attorney, have you reviewed all the records? Have you discussed the issues? Yes. Then the judge will ask you about your past work over the last 5 years. Again, not something you should have to think about.